Hi everybody, welcome back to the Spinning Barn and to today's Sunday Spinspiration. Now I'm on my hands and knees on the floor at the moment in here. I've been having a bit of a spring clean at the Spinning Barn and it's time now to turn my attention to spring cleaning my spinning wheels. And I thought you might find this interesting as well. Now I'm going to just turn the camera around and just talk to you via that. Okie doke. So I have got my trusty Ashford Traditional. That was actually my very first spinning wheel. I love it still. And my little workhorse, my Woolmakers Bliss. Now, one of the things that I noticed on this wheel, if I just come around this side, is the brake band, the spring on the brake band. Now, you can see it's very badly stretched. I did not do that. Okay, let's make that very clear. This actually happened during a particular workshop when somebody was a little bit over enthusiastic when she tightened the tension knob on the wheel. It's a very, very common mistake. Just one of those things that if you don't know, you don't know until somebody tells you. Okay, and these are the sort of things that I discuss through all my workshops, beginners workshops, that these basic little tiny things make such a difference and make your life easier and your spinning so much more effective, which is what we want, isn't it? So your brake band really should not be stretched like this at all. It hardly needs any tension on it whatsoever. The problem with the fact that it is now stretched like that is that it's not actually working effectively, which means that when we come to tightening our tension knob to get the right take up, which is the feel of how the yarn is being taken out of your hands through the orifice. Whoops, a daisy, just dropped my, it's breaking my wheel at the same time. Can't do this one-handed, can I? I must get a stand. It travels along the hooks and onto your bobbin, obviously, doesn't it? Now, if that isn't feeling comfortable and isn't working effectively, your yarn is never going to be as perfect as you would like it to be either. It's just not going to be suitable for the job, is it? The other thing is the brake band itself on this wheel is okay, but actually over here on my Bliss, now you can see my spring's fine on this one. Now, I don't know if you can see it. Where are we? Let's have a look. Now then. If I hold that over the foot plate where it's white, so the cable itself, the brake band itself, is actually black, just here. But it's actually worn so much, because it's been on here about 4 years, I think at least. Here, you can see it's actually gone clear. The coating has come off. That is due for a replacement. I need to replace that today as well for exactly the same purposes. If this isn't up to the job, I can never expect it to do what it's intended to do, can I? There we go. So I hope that has helped a little bit today. So it's probably time to give your spinning wheel a bit of a spring clean as well. Let me know if there's any advice you need, anything I can do to help you. And of course, yes, I do sell the kits in my little online shop, very reasonably priced, and I'd be very happy to package one up for you if that is what you need. If you don't need one, that is great. Just make sure that everything is working as it should be and carry on and enjoy a comfortable, smooth spin. Okay, see you all soon. Okay, love to all. Bye bye.